If you're looking to change your Reddit community name, then I'm going to show you how this is done and explain how it all works to you. So once you're on Reddit, guys, you want to click your community on the left hand side and it will take you right into your community. Now click the mod tools, guys. And from here, you on the left hand side, go down to the general settings and you want to go ahead and open up that general settings. Now, on this section here in the general, you have a display name. You can play with this as much as possible to change it, right? Whatever you want, you can go ahead and just basically change that, right? Now, what's happening here, guys, is that whenever you go ahead and change your display name, I'm going to go ahead and make a few more changes to it. Let's put multiple S. This is going to allow you to change only the display name, but it is not going to change the name of the community itself. And this is because Reddit doesn't allow you to change the name of the community itself. It will change the display name that you see on the upper right hand side, but it will not change the name of the community itself. So this will stay because you're not able to change this one, but you're able to change the display name. And that's pretty much it. So if you want to basically modify the display name, you can always do that using the steps I share with you. But this one will have to stay. So if it is something that you can't work with, then you most likely will have to change you'll most likely have to create a new Reddit group. And that's all there is to it, guys.